Hello, my name is Nanda Rizky Wirapratama, NPM 274202023. I will explain a little about marine organism. Marine organisms are a group of living organisms that carry out activities, interact, and reproduce in marine waters. This group of organisms includes plankton, nekton, and benthos. Number 1. Benthos. Benthos are animals and plants that live above or below the seabed or in area called the benthic zone or the bottom of the edge area. Benthos is different from plankton that live freely floating in the water. Types of benthos. Several types of benthos animals are sea worms, especially Annelid foliacea. Seagrass, a type of flowering plant. Clams, oysters, sea cucumbers, a type of echinoderm. Snake stars, sea anemone starfish, various mollusks, and various crustaceans. Way of life. Attached to the sediment function as indicator for other organism drugs. Number 2. Coral reefs. Coral reefs are a group of coral animals that live in symbiosis with a type of algae called zooxanthellae. Coral reefs are included in the phylum Cnidaria class, Anthozoa, which have tentacles. Coral reefs are divided into two types, uh, names of coral reefs and hard coral reef. So this type of coral reef is a coral reef that grows along the coast. This type of reefs does not form coral and tends to be fertile because it gets no sunlight. Hard. This type of reef is a coral reef that forms limestone in the sea. This type of reef is very fragile and vulnerable to climate change. These coral reefs are the main building block of coral reefs ecosystem. B. Coral reef based on shape and growing place. This type of coral reef is divided into four types, namely reef. Reefs are deposits of limestone. This deposit is shaped like a sea ridge which is on of the forming coastal ecosystem. Corals. Corals are marine biota that have a role in the formation of reef. The shape of the coral is segmented like bamboo. Reef coral. Reef coral are soft coral that do not produce lime. Many coral reefs are found in coastal areas. Coral reef. Coral reefs are ecosystems in the sea which are created as a result of the symbiosis between marine animals and plants. C. Coral reef based on location. Coral reef based on their location are divided into four, namely peripheral coral reef. These reefs are the most common reefs found around the coast. This reef can live to a depth of 14 meters. This reef is circular in shape toward of the open ocean. These reefs are found in Bunaken, Panaitan Island, and Nusa Dua Bali. Barrier Reef. These reefs are similar to fringing reef. However, this reef is located far from the coast. This reef can grow to a depth of 75 meters. These reefs are found in the Riau Island, South Sulawesi, Banggai Island, South Sulawesi. Ring collar reef. This collar reef is shaped like a ring. These reefs are commonly found around the Atlantic Ocean. Flat coral reef. These reefs are coral reef that's from Iceland. This coral reef grow from the seabed to the sea surface. These coral reef are found in the Thousand Island and the Ujung Batu Island of Aceh. And number 3, plankton. Plankton are microorganisms found living floating in the waters, have little movement, so they are easily carried away by currents, meaning that this biota cannot go against the current. Plankton based on the type is divided into zooplankton, animal plankton, and phytoplankton, vegetable plankton. By type, based on the type, plankton is divided into two, namely phytoplankton and zooplankton. Phytoplankton in the form of a group of small plants with chlorophyll and is able to carry out photosynthesis in water. This type of plankton is dominated by algae and small part is dominated by fungi and bacteria. The function of this phytoplankton is a major oxygen supply for aquatic organisms and food source for zooplankton, and is able to absorb toxic gases such as N3 and H2S, as well as an indicator of water fertility. Zooplankton is a type of plankton originating from small animal groups dominated by a group of crustaceans, rotifers, and protozoa. The function of zooplankton is a natural food for aquatic organisms, including shrimp. Number 2, based on his life from the way of life, plankton is divided into the type, namely euplankton, which a true planktonic organism, and pseudoplankton, which arises from the remains of organic and inorganic material suspended in water. By size, ultrananoplankton, which has a size of 2 nanometer. An example is bacteria. Number 2, nanoplankton having a size of 220 nanometer, namely fungi, flagellates, and diatoms. Microplankton has a size between 200 nanometer. That is most of the species of phytoplankton: Ciliates, Rhizophorus, and Nauplius Cephalopoda. Mesoplankton has a size of 2 mm, namely Cephalopoda and types of larvae. Microplankton measuring 20 mm are Pteropods, Cephalopoda, Euphasids, and Cytognathus. And last, megaplankton having size 20 mm, namely Scyphozoa and Thaliacens. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.